Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to hide active status on Messenger for specific friends. You can use the restrict feature, right, to appear offline to specific friends on Facebook Messenger. Unlike fully blocking someone, restricting secretly hides your online status and read receipts from them and mutes their message notifications, all while keeping you connected. So let's say I want to hide my active status for this individual, right? Emily. So I'm going to click her name inside the chat. I'm going to, again, click her name at the top, scroll a little bit down, hit restrict, right? And then you're going to already read exactly what you're going to get out of it, right? Limit your interactions, hide your activity, and restrict anytime. And hit restrict here to double click. And basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.